Hi friends, welcome to the Tech Blog Live YouTube channel. Microsoft is a world-leading manufacturer of high-performance computing hardware. Microsoft has brought the two-in-one market with the Surface Pro and Book series to light. In 2016, the full-fledged sequel arrived, in the aptly named Surface Book 2. The Surface Book 2 is the most powerful and capable two-in-one laptop globally. Book 2 has been a high-powered member of the Surface family. It targets pro-level buyers such as artists, designers, engineers, or video editors. They look pretty much exactly like the previous version of the Surface Book. But there are two models. We will look 15-inch model, and there's also a 13-inch model. This 15-inch hybrid two-in-one machine offers crazy levels of performance in all applications. Its design seamlessly integrates the screen and base with an elegantly designed hinge. The touchscreen section is detachable from the keyboard and can be used independently. It's also compatible with the Surface Pen, which design professionals will find many uses for. The keyboard section houses a second battery, which offers impressive battery life. The Book 2 15-inch surpasses the MacBook Pro and gives it a real run for its money. This shouldn't come as a surprise, but the Surface Book 2 is very expensive. The Book 2 is undoubtedly a premium laptop, but the question here is whether you can afford it? So let's dig into the details and find out. Microsoft Surface Book 2. It's a legitimate gaming laptop, and delivers near workstation levels of performance. It is capable of incredible performance, including video editing and all the latest games. You can enjoy its power, which needs to have a huge budget to play with. It offers more features, faster performance, and longer battery life than its competitor. Design. Microsoft blew it up in every way to make Book 2 the stunning 15-inch device. Book 2 is a two-in-one device to be used in laptop and tablet modes. Microsoft put a lot of effort into improving Book 2's power profile and screen technology. Microsoft made it into the thin, portable and power-packed Surface Book 2. Microsoft has once again opted for a silver casing made from magnesium. Book 2 has an expensive feel that ensures you're getting value for the money. They made the fulcrum hinge a bit more sturdy, so that it will be able to support the 15-inch screen. The 15-inch Surface Book 2 measures 0.9 by 13.5 by 9.87 inches, and weighs 4.2 pounds. When detached from the base, the Surface Book 2 is the lightest 15-inch tablet. Attaching and detaching the screen from the keyboard base is as quick and effortless. It takes less than a second, whether it's going into tablet mode or back into a laptop. This is a fanless laptop, and it keeps very relaxed through the passive cooling system. Display. One of the Surface Book 2's biggest highlights is its 15-inch 3:2 aspect ratio display. With the 3:2 aspect ratio, you can feel like scanning through actual pages like a real book. Fortunately, it's a beautiful screen that comes with a 3240 by 2160 pixels resolution. It also comes with a 1600:1 contrast ratio, and 10-point multi-touch. The picture quality is very sharp, and the screen gets bright at maximum settings. The whole experience centers around the Pixel Sense display, whether docked or in tablet mode. With Pixel Sense display, the pixels translate to better overall accuracy with colors. It also supports 100% of the sRGB color, for those who do color grading on videos. The display is ideal for watching videos that support high dynamic range and playback bright colors. The display is also bright enough to take outdoors and work under direct sunlight. The screen detaches quicker with Book 2, and there should be less wobble with the display. The screen looks pleasingly vivid and sharp, more than capable of handling office tasks. Performance. The Book 2 15-inch is a powerhouse, and has significantly more powerful hardware. It is powered by the 8th General Intel Quad-Core i7 CPU, which provides responsive performance. It comes with an ultra-fast 1TB M.2 SSD, to store a significant amount of data. The 16 GB of RAM can help you perform and execute your tasks smoothly. The GTX 1060 GPU delivers excellent graphics-intensive work and 1080p gaming performance. The new 15-inch model will allow you to play any current PC game at decent high settings. It's a premium device with gaming-grade graphics and a tablet for simple tasks. Book 2 is a speedy system for tasks like video encoding and applying Photoshop filters. This device can also cater to your entertainment needs and bend according to your requirement. You get better performance and lesser power consumption, resulting in better battery life. The Book 2 competes with severe rivals, including the MacBook Pro and Dell XPS 13. The Surface Book 2 also supports the Surface Pen and Surface Style. Keyboard. Microsoft is offering a chiclet-style full-size keyboard with 1.55mm travel. The keyboard is comfortable, with backlit keys that are satisfying to tap. It supports 3 stages of backlighting, which is helpful, especially when you type in dark environments. It's excellent with key spacing, and each key press indices a consistent response. The keyboard comes with a good amount of travel, without feeling mushy. This keyboard is an absolute delight to type, whether typing a small email or a long article. There is no flex on the keyboard, which is a testament to the excellent build quality. Microsoft included an ample wrist rest, which is comfortable for an entire workday. TouchPad. Underneath the keyboard, you get a mid-sized and intelligent touchpad. The touchpad of Surface Book 2 feels very smooth and responsive. The touchpad is glass with precision drivers for accurate response to gestures. It understands 4-finger tap to open the Action Center, and a 3-finger tap to open Cortana. The 2-finger tap, which acts like right-click on a mouse, also works accurately. It also understands when you place 4 fingers on it, and swipe right or left for the virtual desktop. We recommend spending $100 for the Surface Pen, to get the most out of this device. It's a handy tool, if you would like this device without its keyboard for creative endeavors. Connectivity. Mainly, all of the ports of Surface Book 2 are located on the keyboard dock. You get 2 USB 3.1 ports, and an SD card slot on the left side. You get a Surface Connect port, and a USB Type-C port on the right. The 2 Surface Connect ports can charge the device or transfer data. The headphone jack is available on the right side of the display. The volume rocker is located on the top left corner of the tablet, right next to the power button. Microsoft has an added Thunderbolt 3, so you can't use external GPUs or high-speed peripherals. Battery. Battery life is entirely consistent and impressive for a laptop this powerful. It has 2 batteries, a smaller battery inside the tablet half, and a larger one in the base. Microsoft has said that you can use it for 5 hours in tablet mode. And the screen attached in laptop mode, you can run for up to 15 hours for video playback. A single charge will last you all day, even if you watch videos, as long as it's in laptop mode. Speakers. You are provided with front-firing speakers on the tablet portion of the device. With Book 2, you get a speaker that could use a boost in volume to go with its clarity. You get a wired audio connection, which is invaluable as it offers excellent audio quality. These speakers were good enough for watching movies and your favorite TV shows. Webcam. You get a 5-megapixel front-facing camera and an 8-megapixel rear camera. Both front and rear web cameras of Book 2 can shoot up to 1080p video. The web camera quality on Book 2 is incredible compared to Dell XPS 15. The webcam also has an IR sensor to log in with your face with Windows Hello. This webcam is suitable for your online calling and professional Zoom meetings. Operating system. Windows 10 Home is the installed operating system. Microsoft covers the Surface Book 2 with a 1-year warranty. Pros. Cons. Conclusion. The Surface Book 2 is a stunning piece of design work from Microsoft once again. It's a premium 2-in-1 laptop with top-level design, performance and features. Book 2 convertible device is speedy, long-lasting, versatile, and portable. The Surface Book 2 offers high unmatched performance and great battery life. It feels great to hold with an all-metal body, and even better while using. Its stunning design and excellent tactile feel, when used either as laptop or a tablet. It's ideal for those who are creative, and want power in the laptop to do whatever they want to do. You can use the detachable screen and a pen, for this high level of apps and 3D performance. This device looks great, and it does spec-wise rival the MacBooks, and also price-wise. The Surface Book 2 is one of the most excellent-looking 2-in-1 laptops on the market. They are priced slightly higher than regular laptops, because you can use them as laptops and tablets. Microsoft Surface Book 2's base price starts at $1,750, approximately 135,000 rupees. Specification table.